What's up? Dan here from Code Noobs. And in this short video, we're going to take a brief look at the virtual DOM. The virtual DOM is fundamental to modern web development. Understanding the virtual DOM is key to understand how modern frameworks like React work, making websites faster and more efficient. So first off, what is the DOM? The DOM, or the Document Object Model, is a programming interface for HTML documents. It's the structured representation of a web page. You can think of it like a tree-like model. The DOM can be manipulated, primarily with JavaScript is what's used. Programs can change the document structure, style, and content. So for instance, like every time a user interacts with a web page, clicks a button, submits a form, JavaScript interacts with and can modify the DOM. There are problems with the real DOM, however. Mainly, it's slow. So anytime a change is made, no matter how small, the entire DOM gets re-rendered. The problem with this is it's resource intensive. Imagine like if you repainted your whole house just because you changed the color of one door, right? That would be unnecessary and it would be a big waste of time and money. So this can lead to slow performance, especially when dealing with large, complex applications. So what is the virtual DOM? The virtual DOM is a lightweight copy of the real DOM that lives in memory. It's a JavaScript representation of the actual DOM. In frameworks like React, instead of updating the real DOM right away, the virtual DOM is updated first. So why? Here's how it works. Imagine a user interacts with your user interface, like clicks a button. React updates the virtual DOM with the change. Then, in a process known as diffing, it compares the updated virtual DOM with the prior or previous virtual DOM. And by doing this, what it's trying to do is identify where changes have been made. And then reconciliation is the process by which parts of the real DOM that actually changed are updated. Efficient algorithms are used to determine the minimal number of changes needed. And basically, this improves performance because only the parts that need to change are actually updated, rather than re-rendering the whole entire page or the whole entire site. So you can imagine it kind of like this, right? You have a previous version of the virtual DOM stored in memory. You have the current version of the virtual DOM, and then each one's analyzed to figure out where changes occurred, right? And what those changes are. So why does the virtual DOM matter? Well, mainly performance, right? By minimizing real DOM manipulation, the virtual DOM makes web apps faster and more efficient. This equals happier users, which is good for everybody. It's actually a better developer experience. It simplifies coding and encourages component-based architecture. So instead of managing the DOM manually or changes to the DOM manually, React handles it automatically through the virtual DOM. And scalability. It allows complex and interactive UIs to perform well, even with a lot of user interactions. So brief takeaway, the virtual DOM is a clever way to optimize web apps by reducing unnecessary updates to the real DOM. Understanding how it works is essential to mastering React and other modern technologies. That's it for this short explanation of the virtual DOM. We hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more web development tips, explanations, and even code alongs that are to come in the future. Thanks a lot.